at home.
Saktanda Dali, Saktanda. Saktanda Dali, Saktanda.
Saktanda kapa Saktanda.
It is a tanda.
Saktanda.
Saktanda Dali, Saktanda.
Okay, is that me good? You're the winner.
Kalikolo, mami ye, kalikolo. Daktanda mami ye, daktanda. Daktanda mami ye.
Yo, but I don't know. Okay, create a hood in mic.
Ke bontsha gore powerful yo.
Hood in mic. You want some for powerful because I didn't love it was a movie. Of course. Viewers at home, greetings. I greet you in the wonderful name of love. Yes, before everything showing you today, atamelang. Take them back to ba founeleng le ba bolelle gore bobedi bo matla bobedi bo droning osi o lovely osi o like osi dirang dilo tse di all right le Dr. November ba teng marang take them back to hleng bathong founelang batho la itse ke rona ha re tle nje re tla re tshwere taba tse phidisang taba tse lovely taba tse powerful. Now before we can get to the main topic of today, every time we shoot a video, we are shooting live, really hide in guest house mo Cairo. So now I kupile batsamaisi ba show because now Dr. November the host. Kupile our media people who at this time and talk more about hide in. Viewers at home, it's a very beautifully.
No, it's very beautiful.
Correct. Beautifully yena is smarty.
Guys house. Yena ninhloka gore e ka reng ka be se ke nang le ke nyetse. Le tlo etsa ngwana mona.
Ka age feng tla mo godile. Ngwana a bala grade 1 o tla bole ka yes.
A ke no molata ke re tla lata motho tla ka transport.
O tlo ya difference meeting.
Mayo tla.
O tla bo krile mme o mo kae. Ratla mo. Now viewers at home, bana le day rest kapa day rest. You can come and book for 4 hours and then wait a mail. You can book for 3 hours or what's a man.
What's a day rest? What's a day rest with some?
Nap.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, re tla ya ka botebo ka day rest ka leke Friday. Show nyenana ya rona ke nap.
Oh, day rest.
Day rest for 3 hours. Wa itlela le hantse re tla sone ke botsa batho ba tsa malwana gore mare le ka itlela day rest ba se le ke ka itlela. Now in a day rest you can come and then have 3 hours to 4 hours and then wait a mail. And then you can also come with your friends like la tloja lunch. You come with 4 of your friends, 5 of your friends, and then laitlela, and then you eat lunch. Or you come because they have a swimming pool side. You come, you chill there, and then they allow all sorts of drinks. All sorts of drinks. They allow beef. Beef.
Because it's only beef Steve Gate.
Now, viewers at home, you can do that. You can come and have fun. And Kadi Thursdays, they have what we call Thursday Lovers and Friends. Thursday Lovers and Friends. Now, hoyona utola full body massage with hot stone, gown and slippers, lunch, and pick up and drop off. That means laos na transport.
Baulat.
Ba khona ho lata. Yes. Ba o lata mo linteng and then ba utlise and then o thole massage. Ona le your partner kapa a friend. Now ha o qeta ba o massager o ya ka mo ka area nya bone ya o phumula. Ha o qeta phumula ka nako o batlang ho tsamaya, they also drop you off. Now you can book the room tsa bone for an overnight. The thing, if you don't have a transport, you don't have to stress because banali shuttle limuna.
Yo.
And then they collect you
Yo.
wherever you are, as long as it is around Bloemfontein.
Yo.
They collect you bautlise, and then after they drop you off. Drop you off.
And it's a beautiful place because it's a height in there.
Yes.
Imonati man. Ikone le dikoloi di ka hare.
Ha ona mthatla nna re ko bone strate mo pekile wa bona. Now you can also area lovers and friends otla le batho ba itu, that means ke wena le partner kapa ke wena le a friend, yona ke 1.1 ne, and then you get all those things tse ke buileng ka tsona. You get a full body massage, and the massage wa bona o good, very good. Di room tsa bona guys, na mara ntse ke re ke tlo buka au nna ke tlo buka sham like se ka buka ke
na ke utla khalla fela ha ke nyala ke tlo etsa ngwana mona ka nnete. It's beautiful.
Sa botle pele o isa ka ngwana e re ha o qeta o qeta o nyala le tlotla maybe bo beke le beke mona di shiti tsa teng di white
ke di bone wena no tlo batla mara ka di kamoreng ka ntho ka di room tsa teng
di bete tse ke di bete tsa teng a di le di soft di nut. I can't make it test for people come to hide in. If you don't book something a kids now, until letting her go to book overnight. Lay a friend.
Friend ya okima.
I refer to book overnight. Retle for Thursday lovers and friends. But go to
sure.
Yes. Hey, yo, Kiona, viewers at home, please, if you need more info about height in, ke kopa le fa di numbers, or you can also call the numbers Aruna. I will give information. But let me give you these numbers. What you phone and you ask them, and then you book, ne? Because you can also, they have a nice, a very beautiful place where you can host a birthday party, where you can host a bridal shower, where you can host baby shower, ne? Kapa di meeting tsa lona tsa mosebetsi. Now, the number tse di phone-elang ke tsenana ke 071 413 4119. Ke kopa di pheta sa o qetela ke 071 413 4119. Ke di nomoro tsa hide in tseo viewers at home le ka phone mo, and then la bua le bone and make a booking. Remember I said le lunch la gone group 4 ladies, 3 ladies, you come, you eat your lunch and then you go. Thank you. Le skela le bala inali 3 hour booking.
It's in booking. Rest in place.
Rest in place. So
rest in place. Rest in peace. If it's one seven, yeah, we got 3 hours, 2 hours. Rest in peace. Rest.
Day rest.
Oh.
Okay, lo gona lo dira day rest from 3 hours. O ka oketsa di hour ga wena but you gonna book from 3 hours.
Sure.
Don't yo ke tla test. Ke tla like book and sleep so that ha ke bua le batho be ke tse for okay wa gona go.
Then again, it's a good idea. Ke tla support.
O to buka lwe.
I grew up with bukile already. Ke a join affair.
Ke buka le mogotsi wa ka.
Le ke nna ke mogotsi wa.
Viewers at home, dumeani, sanibanani, bantu abakulu. bantu bam kaya kgetlo re tseng bantu bam o monate
Ke sharp. Ke sharp.
o shapo ka bo iphusha go
Ya ke sharp, ke sharp o sefapang. Mara hape ke na le ho iphuša. Ke na le ho iphuša nyana tje.
e be le ema o nana e bo o affectwa ke eng before ya show
No, I think je ke nana je bophelo nje.
now kana go le down o thuswa ke eng
Yo nna ke tsebisa ke thusa ke eng.
a gona formula tse motho ka se tsebe o thuswa ke eng there must be something
Nna ke tsebe ke thuswa ke hle.
so why
Ke thuswa ke mara.
re blelle
Ke nana ke
e leng teng e o thusang re kgone go gore at all times e dule le teng
a ke tsena. Because one of the thing ene ke tseba gore ke a e rata ke bike which is ntse ke e rata. Ne.
e ne le mood lifter wa gago
Yeah. Le no. But I gradually I do winter so what in anyana so I already enjoy amonate because it's too cold. Like mao ba ne ke tsamaile. Ka tswa Bloemfontein mara next le jwetsa. Ah.
ma go tsamaegile kapa a go ile
Silike. Why only personal?
no ka ba ka jik go
Why?
tsamae
Silike why only personal?
ka ke re kwa ka go o no tsamaile ni
Why
Friday
eh?
o tsamaile Friday
Ke tsamaile ka is it Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. Ke tswa ka Bloemfontein. Ani ke thabile le sampona. Mapholoso.
o no ya kae o ile kae
Ke ntse tse tima mara.
ntate mo
Silike.
ke batla go gata show
Silike a o di sa ka taba tsa ka.
yo
Ne ke tsamaile fela ke kalame bike. Ne ke na le stress. Ya ke tsamaile ke le wa.
o tswa kae ge bonnyane
Site la bontho.
kae
A ke tsebe ba o tswa tsena, ke tsebe ke site lefu mo.
na go tsamaegile kapa a go tsamaega
Nna ke bone fela ke se kgona ho tsamaya.
kaya nne re dire ntate mo
Nna ke bone fela ntse ke kgona ho tsamaya.
ntate mo re bikinyana tle
Hey modimo. Guys, what's up Silike o batla taba tsa ka?
ntate mo ga no re blella a o re blelle ge o tswa
Silike
kae
le a lawyer, bothata ba nna gore le a lawyer. Nna ke sa batla ho bua hle. Nna le a lawyer hle, le a lawyer straight.
mara sheba
Ah.
nna le di viewers we are here for you
Yo le a lawyer.
mara ge bonnyane ge he hintinyana o tsamaile monate
Ke ba ikile monate.
o bule le
Mutara no vyo se shapo bonana. Ibe a ke shapo. Ha ke shapo.
oh sharp hle oh sharp
Tledisa Ronovi o tsamaile ha monate mo o noile mara le yena wa botsa
ya ga botsa hle
yo ahle
re blellela go o tsamaile ha re batle dilo tse dintsi le ntate
ke kopa o hlalosa guys
yes
ke ne ke tsamaile ka bike ke tsamaile monate
o tswa kae
modimo wa ka
a ke re nna wa itse ka weekend ne ke le thabantsho
ke tsamaile distance e telele ema ka hatsela yo ne ke hatsetse ne ke sa apara ne ke sa apara hantle yo ka hatsela
bare doctor tswa ka tsona please re kopa info and then
ntho ka ntho nawe e tlo re latlhisa dintho
bare o shapo bare dedi
ke shapo sefapano a ke tsebe kapa ke bonala ke se right
bare o tswe ka info ba kopa info
a le landlawyer nna a landlawyer hle sure a le lawyer hle yo a landlawyer a ke sa batla ho bua
me go no tsamaile bonnyane
ene ke tsamaile
o setse petrol a
ke enjoyile bike
ha o ka re blella o setse petrol a bokae re tla nagana for
ha ke tlo mona ke tsetse ha ke ne ke tlo mona ke tsetse 400 and something close to 500
ka bike ke full tank ya
and then ka lo tshela another full tank almost 400 and something hole and then ka ya mo then
tshetse gabedi
ga 4 I mean gararo ke tsetse di full tank tse 3 ka matsoma ke tsetse di 500 almost 5 tse 3 le mnate di mabaiki le mnate
e ke nna botsa bojubeke
a ke tsebe hle yo yo slike ke ke tsaba fela le tsamaile ka baiki yaka I'm not
nna di tang
la lawyer
a ke nna go tlotlo ke tswa thaba ka state
la lawyer no se kwa tla lo jetsa ha nyane because la lawyer
mara e ka go wa look le hlakoreng le ka
lefi
leo le mi dilisitse mona piwa se do se tsa jwale hle
lefi se le ke maro wena o rata taba tsaka wena tsawa o so gore
viewers at home na I'm here for the na ke safa di viewers
but ba consele ba batla go tsiba le wena gore bophelo ba bontse bo ya
ke tlo le na ke itse ba ka bo khutswane tsatsi lo show e ka tswa frugo a le ka batla ke le kotkele ka baka ana ke na anything bana beso right now interesting but as soon as in nothing ke motho a hlolehang excitement ya hlole le tlo tseba ai e fela jwa nna bophelo ba ka bo khutswane mara bo interesting bo and then how fitla mo and then go tsoka ditaba ke batla go ya show ke tla go dira show
ha ke fitla mon ka fitla ka ja
o ka simple no ile restaurant ndinga
ke ne ke le restaurant ka fitla ka ja ha monate and then a qotile ka ja
viewers at home who wants to know what really happened ka weekend o Dr. November Dr. November re jwetsa o tswa kae o tsamele jwa phamisa matso la ka kile
batho ba tong khona raba
viewers at home for those who want to know before we can show because re tlo ya show ba re Dr. November we want to know because a ke Dr. November bua taba tsa haimo and ha se right re mona a ke o tla batla o bona gore mutu wa hae o
bona TikTok
yes now I'm saying ke phabisitse bana beso
ambandetsa samulo mushimona ka ke tsere ke stress
sheba ka mo bekenya ka gona le ntho le ka okay viewers at home phamisa matsoho
TikTok again ba phamisa matsoho TikTok
yes we want to know Dr. November o tsetsi di full tank tse tharo ona ya kai ene ka itsa o tsu feel rale tatuak ke batho ndatimu kuti ke dikara fe
kerika
I thought
mbekisas
ndatimu kuti
ke sa samlomo
ke khala red
ireg
ndatimu kuti ha ke med how to yo ndatimu kuti sa etsa jwale ka o shebela ntate sa ka o kopa
etsa ka speed to sinjwale ke itsasa
yo ayo au tshepiso za mama butle sa etsa jwang ntate mo ruta yo tlo bokaya batla e sheba batla o tlisetsa I thought it come down. And then so you tell us wa tloga go gagago
yes ka tsala ke ka emisa pe
o re blela seng banke so that re
ka tsala full tank ya bobedi and then a qetile
full tank ya bobedi ka nna mo go ke kopa o explain jwalo ka wena o batla ho explain yes explain so that we understand I quote motho how
pule mofukele na re
yes ke ba me ba so now ndate mo goti before wasting ha re sana nako
ne ke le meeting
why
wa kereke
kai ke sa itse nna kai ke sa itse a gona meeting no ka nna ndem viewers eto nna excited ke nna ke bitsa di ndate mo rutuwa ngoma be ke ya ko leadershiping
le surprise meeting ke se ka rana show guys le sharp
re have meeting o palame wa ya sasola ile ke sasola ka paparais and then o kopane le motho but for now o ka se business at least go gotlana gore eno go renka di viewers tse phamisitse matso
bana ba rata itaba batho ba phamise matso ba rata itaba la lawyer ne nthagata
go isa o le happy wa bona galwa
no ke happy
ha o no tsena monika go na le ntonyana e reng no yana ha re bua ka trip ya gago tlala mafu
no ke mpa fela ke sa ke tsebe hleng ke tsebe but go jwetse ntongwe ke ithutileng yona this morning ne ke o qoqala guys ke bua nnete this morning there's something that came mpotse ke ke bua nnete I feel like ntho ya lenyalo e bapala too much kelelong yaka and somehow ke nana ena lo nkutsetsa peace
yeah how sometimes how bua ka the way you want go
I think
you somehow become emotional.
Yeah, and today ne ke bua le nna what's about this morning on a serious note ne ke bua le nna ke re mara I think this thing because e ka re Satan o etsa eng Satan wa di bona dintho tse completeang bophelo ba motho and ba di tseba dintho tse completeang bophelo ba motho this lady ene ke qoqa le yena this morning o re ho nna is it no yesterday no ke today o re ho nna yana o focus itse dintho
ample okay yes
atumela
right
atumela la glass up atumela ke no etsa next sha
okay
atumetsa mic
you said home as okay I hope ke sharp no
uno ipone he so ke ne ke reng ke ne bile ke blela this lady ke ro yena ona re yena focus bophelo ba ne re qoqela are o focus bophelo ba ho etsa chelete ke ro yena but the reality of the truth all of us we normally think like that or no and most about why give up for the relationship motho tla o jetsa go focus di studying tsa hae jwala ka ne re bua last week e motla re no focus di baneng ba hae career ya hae e mo ke re ho yana but dintho tseno ka fela nnete sebile a di thusi motho when batho ba ne ba sena matlo our main goal ya bona ne le matlo motho a sena ntlo batho ba ne ba sena matlo
initially to get a house
yeah o ka lo ba botsa ka ofela but ba di thotse matlo ao but ho ba bang that house doesn't bring the
peace
not peace kitseking
to be
fulfillment
yeah
wa bona
I'm
complete I complete bophelo ba hae hona le batho ba ne ba sena dikoloi motho tla ba re yo nna if nka bona ke na le koloi but the reality of the truth bana le tsona today batho mara those cars they don't complete their lives wa bona so I think Satan wa di tseba dintho tse complete maphelo a rona go jetsa nnete and ka bo madimabe most ya rona batho runa batho actually we don't know exactly ke di feeding to complete maphelo a rona trust me Slake trust me nkile ka ruta ka ntho ngwe mo
okay
ka re we take time to know our priorities.
Okay.
We take time before we can know the priorities or handle the wena priority ki eng as a person. Re nka nako telele before understand the priorities tsa rona. Or ke into a priority. And that is what sometimes we push relelekise dintho di be mona ha re sheba mara all of these things so di pursue they are not your priority. Okay. Number 2, they are hasitsona tse completing your life.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Unto na le tsona but your puzzle ya how it tla be sena a clear picture.
Yeah, it tla be-
Because you are not complete.
You are not complete. But there is something you're trying to understand that complete your life. And kabo madimabe ha ona mohla re kgona go mastera ntho eno. Ha ona mohla re di mastera. Trust me Siliki, ha ona mohla re di mastera.
Okay. Viewers at home, re santse re le on that note. Can you comment ka hore na wena ha o isheba o nahana hore o ka complete wa ke eng kapa ke eng that thing that complete you go how na le you are complete, you are okay, so that at least we know that we're talking to relevant people. If you still don't know, you can just say nna tate moruti ke santse ke batla wa bona. If you know kapa maybe you thought having a car will complete me and then on a koloi and still you are not complete, then you can also
Having masters and degree.
and then if I can just have that, I will be complete. And maybe on a little and still you feel you are not complete. Can you just we just need somebody to share with us on the Temuruti. Alina, I thought that kapa nina the Temuruti kinze ki pusha to have this kinahana after completing it kitla complete. Now just share with us viewers at home. Just share
So
with
langa
us.
le ntse le tlo share.
Yes.
Let me repeat again ntho e leng gale ke ruta ka yona.
Yeah.
One, when resna, if you don't have car, ke ipeta and nkile ka ruta ntho. But person dikoloi, but person mo ba dulang teng. But person a place to stay.
Yes.
Motho ya dulang ha bona, motho ya so qetang a so ka nga qeta di qualifications tsa di batla. Most ya bona papa next time o tlo etsa dintho tseno harabeke o tla papa ka nako yo shootang ha o keniki o tla mfanaka ke se ke bolela next time o tsebe re ke ifi ye good so that o ska re hantse re etsa show bile ona o ntse o tšhentšha o etsa mfelo o tla papa ke a o ruta. Yes. Now
Se pico pa le re shebele di comment o latela ntho e re yentseng ne.
Now, when usna but what's next?
Basnang koloi.
Basnang koloi, basnang. We normally think, hore, if I can work hard to have my own house, if I can work hard to have my own car, when I want to see myself completely the study stuck.
Yes.
The mobile chef, Baba Madi and take out fell to them. But let me tell you something. They don't complete. They don't bring that satisfaction. Fulfillment. They don't bring it. Baka ramanyalo, ba wisa ore ka re baka tswa ka ramanyalo so that alopela hamunat being single o tla complete. Hey guys, what all about tswa ka ramanyalo because I feel I will be happy if I can be alone.
Yeah. If I can be single, there are certain things that we
push out tsona ke tlo di etsa. But ngwana rona e re ndate modimo a di tlise ka trading ntho tsena re di tshware ngwanaka ke tsena go fa tsona o tlo bona. I'm telling you, and it's dangerous as a person if you don't know hore ke eng complete bophelo bao, because you know re saying that's when o thola ngore dintho tsa o qetela tsena re tshwantse re di pheswile ke tsona tse re di etsa number 1.
Okay. Yeah, ipete ya.
Dintho tsa di last tsone tshwantse be re qetella ka tsona ke tsona tse re di etsa number 1. Dintho tsa re ne tshwantse be re qala ka tsona ke tsona tse re di etsang number 0.
Okay. That is why in most cases, especially as black, we start to live at a very late age.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I understand. Yeah.
So it's a problem, guys. It's a problem. That is why about to understand them. Dintho tseo e leng di priority. Re di master motho tsebore ke eng e tlisang that e tlisang fulfillment kapa e complete ang bophelo bao. Because ke bua nnete guys, ho na le batho ba ne ba le sure dintho tsohle tse ba ka di pheswang ha ba ka ba di pheswa di tlo tlisa that fulfillment. No.
Then Ntate Moruti, for someone areng because I want to comment, but for somebody areng Dr. November, now all these things really I have them, but I'm still not fulfilled. How do you know when you are a family orientated person or not? What are the signs?
Only this lady, SS, Nika Gabriel number William. O mopula this lady a kileng a tla di on one. Ana le di business, ana le matlo, ntlo tse kgolo, ana le di business mining, a tle di on one. You remember that lady nare? Are every day mantsibua.
Usonse anwe something.
Anwe an alcohol.
Oh, yeah,
because of loneliness.
Yes.
Very successful person.
Very.
Somebody who has only everything. But I'm telling you, una bua are every day man. You cry.
I have to take a piece of alcohol in your sometimes I don't know
you cry.
And she
Yes.
had chances Ali right ka pusha the business
The business.
thinking about the college tour
Eh.
only the helper only staff but still she was not complete.
And when before Balitona, if Aka to have those things, they will bring that
fulfillment.
You cry. You will not know things actually kill.
Ufukuditse nyatsi.
Nane kill. Also, Tola, Ulika Kumuliwa. Only so I kibulu, yo, Jubulu. Don't live without trapasa. You will only without trapa, guys. And Gabu Madi. I get some little kitwe beajuan too. I don't know whether or kitwe beajuan, but I'm not sure. But I think hore dintho tse ding hona le batho ba di bitseditsweng. Hona le batho ba who are called for certain things.
John. And the little net about to be little and kiddy in.
I think le being a wife. Kinana ina le calling yana nto yo. No, that doesn't mean when you don't have that calling, you cannot be a wife.
Maybe teaching now when only that calling in you the teaching the seminar to attend, like it becomes a bonus.
Let's make an example. Arrange example like my nurse. Hona about to buy link nursing is a calling here.
For them, yeah.
Do you know that? Okay. Being a teacher, it's a calling.
Yeah.
The way I'm passionate for being a teacher, for sebetsana le bana. But when I'm about to buy sebetsana when I'm about to buy the teacher because of mosebetsi.
Okay. Now I get you.
She or he is there because of it's just it's a job. But when I'm about to buy people who are called for being for Obama teacher Oba, you get
now orator ya ka performance ya mutu le dedication. Okay.
Lead them. The way abang fulfilled tikating how to sabat.
Okay.
The way abang happy kating.
Okay.
Kore uba so happy to sabat. Do you know that there's a doctor? This lady Uri, I was a doctor. Doctor had surgery. Surgery kapa in. Let me remember in Lydia. Are that and are that root. I had to resign about doctor. Ka decide hore kilo sebetsana le matlalo. Beauty beauty
therapist,
beauty
therapist.
o tswane re le mo ne ke tsamele le motho ya mo ha re le mo that lady ona re qoqa since a qoqa ho fitla ho tla re qala ho kena le hantsa re treata ho fihlela re a re ke resignile ho ba a ke sa tsebane le doctor medical doctor ya are I'm so passionate
Go sebetsana le batho.
beauty therapy and ke ba so happy hantse ke qoqa le batho ke bua le batho so dinto tse ding I think re di bitse dit now what I want to exactly to ke batla ho yona ke I think batho ba frustrated haholo ntho ntse tsa manyalo le di relationship mpotse ke bomang ke batho ba nang le calling ya ntho eo
Over frustrated, how's a keng?
Anything you will be doing, if you don't serve the purpose you want to be doing, somewhere it will frustrate you. Now say aware.
Yeah, you was at home. I get like ayone. I get like ayone. You kadilo ore certain things, kapa almost everything. People are called for. Dinto tse itseng. O tlo bona ka manese, ka ma teacher now. Ona le batho ba bileditsweng.
Hey, una le manese ana le mose ana le lerato.
Go batla o thusa go o tso kgotsofetse.
Go rotla o thusa.
Yeah, abaye extra mile.
Hai. Hona le mistress.
Tse ka thusang bana ka lerato lohle.
The same way. Because Baba, they are called for that. This now, that is why kirim manyalo mona little relationship in mo. Some people they are called for that. To belong to somebody, to be a wife, to be a husband. I Baba ribiti ito man. Ribiti. Kena kai well.
Yeah, kai kana kai wife me.
Kena kai.
Ribiti.
And believe me, Slicky, if you don't, if you don't,
but I think again that it's dangerous for you to have such a calling, but obonka decision based on the surrounding. If you are surrounded, keep your Thomas Abating Linyan, and you are called to be somebody's wife.
Yeah, it's a now I was a taxi driver, and my plan and my vision, my goal, it was to be a taxi owner. That was my plan. That was my vision. But in that time, the market we and saying, oh no, huntlisa, and le naka dumela hotla to this thing aburut, ne. But look just, can I keep it one monwang the taxi because I was too thick. Skinny, yes. Can I kill skinny all to an extent traffic operating dealers and got a license. Yeah, Kabara cannot drive people to get Otiling Katem. Banka license. Now, but you know what happened? When Kit Alaf Kabrutimo, Aksoga ki enjoy Ntojolakaya. And let me tell you something slick. Go and check. But baby said in twinto. But honor do handle the frustrations unto you.
Come on. If you are called for
something, you are able to handle the frustrations at them. Sometimes the problem is the relationship. Sometimes we marry people baba convincing or this person may be a wife. You are the one who need to convince this person. You are the one who convince this person to make a wife. Kiruna ba sebetsa manyalo ho yetsa about to the wife because this person like ha ana that thing ya bo wife. We've got people who doesn't have that mentality to have a wife. And how fika we na when not a wife can't na iponi a wife. Now it become your role or it become your responsibility to convince this person. The same way when you ukopala le monna. Yes, I pony as a husband.
Yeah.
But we are now bumbona or bumbona as a husband. It's going to be your responsibility to convince this person. Or ibe a husband. Okay. Now that is the problem. And hence ubana manyalo runa as a last. Because most of the time redula leba to retire about convince.
Okay.
Somebody will say honna novi wabona if bato nyala step. Aros kababa or convince a motori. Again, polygamy.
Okay. Yeah. Why Oscar convince someone?
Motu sanse arratento.
Oh wow. Viewers at home, the numbers that you can call us on is 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. You can also send a WhatsApp. You can also send a voice note and then ask any question regarding this thing and say Dr. November if you are watching us and then you feel okay, maybe Dr. November is not covering you are more than welcome to call us and then say, not Dr. November, maybe I defy Luena because experience yakana in Chile 1, 2, 3, 4. Kapa Dr. November, I agree with you. Now you are more than welcome. As much as this is a show, but Ribita a session where Ribuang and then Dr. November also Abu. Now, Ndate Muruti. Example, right now on TikTok and on Facebook. What if who is called
Facebook TikTok
yes.
Most of them
yes, but very true, very true. Now, what if but today as I saying as a wife because of maybe disappointments kapa failure now what do you say to that person because you said something very important. Let's say there is somebody who is watching but who has given up on love because of failure ya relationship kapa lenyalo la tswang go lone kapa disappointment because like failure and disappointment that choose to make a decision. Now let's say because ke batla o mo thuse because you said
ha re so qetita ba bolongli
gatla mo yona okay kapa bua e ka bolongli
maro plan re bua ka bolongli pele ha re so qeti
okay
ke ne ke galla fela hore
ke na le call
okay
viewer at home hello okay
ne ke galla fela hore ai one fela
aka kena
okay
a
re jwetse hore nthe ke bang ka ona ha yona ya hore you become lonely
when
only everything ubombe miserable we cry sometimes
you guys cry
nana ke la there was a time when I killed lonely without lease you become so emotional and it's all laughing out how lisi ke hore you are lonely Mary you become the void ya loneliness emotional now everything trigger you can just cry just be sensitive
viewer at home hello likai thank you kopa fela ntate aphamise voice so that viewers at home can hear him yes we'll no
participate ka thusentsho ya ka
askisi ntate
ke utlwala ke re
hello
no ne ke re
Tshepiso
melana le
o bloke motho.
Hello ntate.
ke utlwala
Ke kopa o bue nako o ne o re wa tlhalosa o ile wa card e ka re your network is bad.
Mara yena ba
no ne ke
bua.
melana le ntate Moruti ntse a bua mo ntse ke le online ne ke anana mme re na le delay nyana between call le
Okay.
ke na le question fela e one mme ka nthusa ke le question or ke comment or wa makatsa gore gobaneng batho ba tla reng ba nang le wisdom gore ba bohlale haholo ke bona ba sa kgone go dula haholo go khipa manyalo ke a lahlela hanyana bana ba ditsing bantho tsa di buang tate Moruti ha ba se tlo bona
O bua nnete.
Okay.
ke botsa se tlo fitang
Very powerful.
tabeng ya bolile hobane ke wisdom e tshwere mongata haholo ene it's very relevant mara ya makatsa gore batho ba bohlale o tshwana le ena hae man ha re kgone jalo o nka manyalo ba bona re mathege re shebe ba rana jang because they can't stay for long.
Very powerful question.
Okay.
Yeah.
No ntate Moruti we utlwile he. Okay ntate.
No, that I respect it. It's a very powerful question to Ebutsitseng. Okay.
Okay ntate. Ke sa tsebeng re ntse re wa mo araba pele re khutlele bolongli kapa because I have people here bare you are telling the truth ke Joyce Mautu are you are telling the truth pastor I sometimes cry because of loneliness.
Okay.
And then Faith Mamiki Mukwena are dumelang o bua nnete never convinced someone to love something or to do something that they are not into. And then Princess Mulete are o bua nnete fela. And then pusetseng Evelina Molefe are ke nnete.
You become very lonely.
Okay.
You become very lonely. And oba long lona di dikoloi tse eme ka pela tse smart tse eme ka pela ntlo. Oba lonely o na le di ntlo oba lonely. Oba lonely. I think right fit you.
Okay.
Kapo nona le motho ana rometse.
Okay. Ba bua fela, okay.
Hona le motho a reng le nna I did cry and that has helped me to move on. Le ana rwalla. Hona le monga re jo ntate ntho e ho nna mona. A re ntho e ho nna.
Okay.
Selele ke bolongli bo tla o lisa. Hey. Let me tell you something. It's just that babam babato and I give a root. Just that this void babam ba sebetsa ka thata. Babam ba use bana babona. Babam ba use the friend. You are always around your friend.
People.
You actually, you are trying to run away from that void. Yabulongli.
Because how be settled and you're not okay when you are alone.
Yes.
Always you have to be around people.
Yes. Then babang ba spend nako le bana ba bona. Tla spend nako le bana, but actually o sebedisa bana to fill the void. So that as ka ba utlwa. Ke ba basadi bana le bana. Nkang bana le lo ba tshakisa ba lo dula selemo ba le siko dule le one. Le dule le one le tle kwan le tla mfonela le mpotso re ke dula ka le tlonjoina.
Lille in the community of crying. Okay, Eunice Maritila. Pastor, what you are saying is so true. I had the same experience. I was staying alone in the house, alone, not lacking anything. But when the sun set, the house became so big for me. I used to cry a lot.
Yo.
And then, Chofa Katata Are, that's true that Muruti last weekend was crying in a big house alone. Oh, Shena.
Are you Kimun? I was crying. Monna nalla. Amen. Ke a e tseba. You
In the
cry.
big house.
You cry. You cry. You cry Selike. Hana ke le Joburg. Ne ke dula, there was this restaurant. Re kile ka lisa o yong. There was that, ne ke dula fihlela ka 2 o'clock. 3 ke dutse mon. Ko ntsimo ku ya kwam. O le thata ya haka.
Oh, ntate mogodi.
O le thata ne ke dula Life Grand. Mall of the South. Ne ke dula Mall of the South. There was a restaurant ne ke rata ba bitsa Life Grand ne ke dula mo. Ne ke dula mo life every day. Sometimes to Sunday ke a kereke. Ke dutse life band into life whatever you. Busuka fan.
Okay, Ntate Mogodi, can I ask? I see
You
many
cry.
viewers at home.
You
There,
cry.
you are saying it's true. You cry, but I wish to know: was there any time in your life where you had an opportunity to have a partner, and then you chose not to because you push certain things?
Obviously, you have that thing. When agree, let me show you something. This is the partner, and then, but in your mind, you think or you want a house, you want money. So ntshwarele cup ya.
Partner yone e le teng.
Ke ena. Go demonstrate there. How na next come? Okay. So it's origin. It's origin usaka. It's orele mora.
Okay.
When una le partner, kelelo how you just or you need money. Kelelo e blela or you want
A house.
you want qualification.
Yes.
La una le partner, you overlook your partner. How value partner how? Because your mind, you blela or the only thing that matters is that thing. So we're saying you overlook this partner. That is why most about to Banebali focused to the intonse thing. Babana ba lose the partners. They right because of when unaliona how we pay attention, how we shabi, how we consider, because in your mind you are focusing to this qualification, you are focusing to this goal. If now I can have my house, so you overlook. So I wanna mutaka mplela ri yana kasi also totally partner right, but you overlook it. Aradi hotel. So we cry and real hamnat guru. Walla real. Be emotional uli monka kunyanu miserable. You are real. Now,
Okay.
to the question that ore most about, because there's somebody eating but one about master rang ba good bona
Habana manyalo ka ba relationship.
that don't know but a powerful question if you by ara.
Yo, ke so le viewers at home ba khalla you. I get emotional.
I got well. I say strong. Cooking sell his ass. And that work. How hona into difficult when utla only experience, well informed, and then key experience.
You being well informed.
Knowledge. Say three. How not a dangerous you like then ubukopa na limutu. Yes, interested to learn. Yes, interested to change. Yes, nang a teachable spirit. Yes, nang willingness.
Sure.
What's about what's on a livuna? Batlare, Hutla Botsuti. Oh, when everything obatla dietswe. That's when most of the time runa re struggle. Because I you kopana le wena. Ke bonwa ke respectwa ke batho. di advice ka di acceptwa ke batho di implementwa ke batho di sebeletsa batho but the same advice ke di tlisa wena o bo feel gore no wena o batla re etse dintho the way o batlang and every time wena o batla I'm telling you ne ke bolella ne ke bolella the lady wa Dr. Mgadi ke re ho yena no Mgadi wena bolella this lady wa ka ke ne ke ile ho Mgadi for counseling
okay
ke ile le motho Mgadi ba re this lady o tsaba o swaka nteno tlo o thusa hore o ska ba miserable ene lo follow di shows tsa Dr. November about it because the problem of Dr. November every day hands are rutaka relationship is the more lena a holang ai
yo
I'm good
yo
are that Dr. Mgane said to that lady are the problem here Dr. November the more answer ruta a teacher ka manyalo le ka the relationship lena unsa grower to that level to that side of the relationship and marriage le knowledge ya high ya grow now the problem is when now phila le motho ya senga hodile wena o le mona now how stretch sometimes how be easy how be monate okay. That is why when o batla ho hona le batho ba ke reng I can think I shall say and when Dr. Mgada ana bua ntoni ke la ka understand that because nete sibele kuru everything you ntsongwe yetsa is the more hula and once your partner is interested ya kapasa be part ya growth ya how utoba miserable
osana lo pheya the more you cook the more you become the best
a cooker you become a best
cooker le baking the more you take time to bake unto hola ntonya ya bikaya
Iflet.
Now, you can understand that the advice and that so onore wena true same here lena ke godile ke di show tsa gago novi
o dile again
ke di show tsa gago ke Nancy Malika very true okay mantse ba ga batla ga ba re okay mantse ba tla ga ba re very true okay Dr. Muruti now you were talking about taba ya bolong
ke go bobale comment yana ka mo TikTok
okay ke la no cause le bana ba ne ke batla ba hole ba hodile ba ya iphelela now I'm all alone ka tlung
arolla no
like
because na batla hodisa bana
ene ba
hodile ene ba musile
that's something that I think we need help Watson because many people now ba baile their lives on hold ba okay and then omong a khutla because you said wena tsela ya etsa hore batho ba nang le wisdom ba na le ba ske ba dula manyalo go hobane batho ba tle ba sena a teachable spirit ba sena willingness now ha o tla o mo fa di advice tse leng hore batho ba bang ha ba di implementa ha ba di mamela da ba sebeletsa e be le hore wena o lwana le di advice tsa hao ka tlung ne
ana ba lwana motabalo yo
kgeletsa tsotso ke le dare yo Muruti you can say it again ho dula le motho a senang a teachable spirit it doesn't have time it doesn't have efforts abare he doesn't want to grow iyo ho abora hle sfapano that means ho dula le motho a senang teachable spirit ha yetse di efforts ha yetse nako for lona ha hole nete sebila re wa bora and then batho ba okay Tsepiso Mputse a re jo ka mokgwa ke ratang ho hlokongelwa ke ntate ke se ke mpe ka ba lonely nka hlanya. And then
ka mokgwa a ratang ho
o
hlokomelwa
hlokomelwa ke ntate ka teng ha ka ba lonely a ka hlanya. And then lerato le tsotetse it is true, you cannot miss what you never had. We are social beings after all, never designed to be alone. No external success can satisfy the inner desire. And then motho abare, comfort zone also creates people not to have a teachable spirit. Batho ba tle ba le comfortable gampe. And then ba say, and then Kathy Mosega are le nna ke godile ke di show tsa gago Dr. November.
ana le motho George le yana re le nna moruti ke dula ke shebiletse show tsa hao le my wife.
Wow.
Ha ona mohlang di re fetang. Ka mantswe mama ke batho ba kgonang go grow some. So in short ha ke arabang tatane ke yona taba sometimes o difficult o bona runa le experience motho na le experience go and hape o te mo yetsa counseling o counsel about you gain more experience.
Yeah.
Because knowledge and nna ke motho le counseling ke counsela matho the couple in him, so ke gain more experience. So that's when partner tsa rona sometimes di ba le bothata because ba feel or wena o batla dintho di mamelwe o batla go mamelwe wena. And jwale now rona ba tshwana le experience hona le dintho tse o tla thola gore you feel ore yena yona ke tlo etsa yona because ke a tseba gore it won't work.
Yeah.
Wa bona so na go ngwe thola gore e ka re you are selfish in it's a problem. Ke hopola mmena kana ke ma Lilian Dube.
Yeah.
Lilian Dube le yana na go ntwe le Sedi FM are ha so bona are ntate a ke sa tsona bua le pulentu ke thulwana mama are ha hona motho go tijwela kana manyalo are ke tise manyalo a batho ke buildile manyalo a nna are we se ke choose wrong. Sure.
At least you have a twin sister.
Nna ke ba tonyana.
Onyana. Okay. Mpusetse Evelina Molefe are ke hodile because of dikeletso tsa Novi. Joyce Mautu are today's topic is very much interesting. As wives, we have to be submissive, but how can you be if your partner doesn't love you and even appreciate you? The question is. And then Alaka Singaba are what about us who never enjoyed lenyalo, leading relationships? Now I cried a lot. So since I'm lonely, I enjoy loneliness. I will never cry again for a man. Kinyisaka success and no. Ki kamantsama ki kopa re thuse re qale ka Joyce. And then choose because Joyce are topic today is right about question ha ke hore o submit jwang to a partner e leng hore ha go rate ka and even ha go appreciate.
What's ba ha ke tsebe le hore ba nyalane kapa it's just a relationship. Slike ke kopa bomme ba mmamele kopa le mmamele basadi mmameleng basadi mamelang Dr. November ke lo kopa mameleng
Ma go tlo re nahanela
ke tlo le nahane once o date le nna ka le hlono lo matsatsing ana ha re sa shebedisana we date date you fa chance to make a good decision.
Okay. Date you for chance to make a good decision.
Now the problem kena once ke sa o rate wa mpona ra ko rata mara wa ndumella hore ko nyale you're going to be forced to be submissive.
Okay.
I won't go.
Mare e be le taba ya hore
I won't go. I won't go.
Akere we are dating.
It's when it's like when
Ke a utlwa.
o ratana le nna ha ke responsible
Ha o
ha
kgathalle.
ke kgathalle
Yeah.
ke a tawa. I'm very irresponsible but still o bo ndumela hore ko nyale selike you are going to be forced to respect me because o choositse motho yo sa deserving respect wa mo choose or that person be your husband. Umona, you chose a person yes are deserving your respect. Maru wa mo choose or be a husband down and also mo choose it you are forced to respect that person. That is why nowadays Runa will difficult to renyane no because you want to make the choices right.
Okay. Os choice I so wish nkare ka ba a khona re phonela hle la o ka re phonela ka WhatsApp just call us and tell us hore na wena did you maybe agree to marry the person ali jwalo kapa maybe u changeile after lenyalo because there's a possibility that the person changed after lenyalo le yona yo riske ga isia morao le ntate Mruti.
Okay guys, hide in it's a guest house, a nice one, in a li dijo, in a li massage, in a li 3 hours to relax,
Day rest,
everything's beautiful guys. Dijo tate massage everything di shapa ko pele.
Yeah.
And
then like for the events you can book party,
everything.
baby shower, yes.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
So now we need to make the choices right. Because tshwanela re etse di-choice right so that re se ra tloba o se ka tlo ifumana o le frustrated o tshwanela go respecta motho but ha o qetile bore this person she doesn't or he doesn't deserve my respect.
Okay.
But ko wena mo choosing I cannot submit to somebody but kana go tsene you chose this person. That is why we need to make the decisions right, the choices right. When ke o nyala as a man, for now, let me make a good choice. Ke o nyale because ke a o rata. Ke se ka tlo sokola ho rata. 2, dumela hore ke o nyale because o fully sure this person nka submit ho yena. Arengi.
Okay. Caller, hello.
Hello, le kae Slike?
Re teng le kae ntate?
Ke khutile hape ne ke re ke tlo leboa ke mametse karabo ya account ntate o arabile ha monate ma.
Okay. Re leboile haholo ntate wa ka.
Ne ke re ke botlhong ke re ke rona le se ke phazame. Oh ne ke re ke e mo taba mo ke re karabo nga mfileng yola mhlomong a ka thatha either today ka ban mhlomong ke le qoqa hore nako e tlang hore tabeng ya lenyalo ne le patriarchy. So what is this view ka yona because every time ke qoqa le batho ka yona
Patriarchy kana ke
getting a feel
Ke kopa o hlalose ntate a ka utlwa hantle no re
patriarchy
ne ke re a ka fitanyane lenyalong in terms of the formation ya lenyalo hore lenyalo le ka sebetsa na le outside of the patriarchy system.
Patriarch system ke system e jwang ntate wa ka?
Ha kre ke tla hlalosa jwang ya hore hona le this view hore lenyalo e ka re le meletsa bontate matla ho feta bo le hatella bo mme ka reng matleba jwalo so ne ka mohlomong ka e tshisa fela and I said today mara maybe next time ba ke tse relevant ha ka kang today
very powerful
jale ne ke re ke re hands on my meeting mo bua ka manyalo ona le this patriarchy or the what is expected from men, what is expected from
women. Okay.
So all of those ka ofela ka di hla from the old system and patriarchy so ne ba tlo fela ntate moruti mohlomong a ka bona le ntho a ka e sharang mona mohlomong.
Okay.
Wow, very
Okay,
powerful.
ntate.
Yeah, but like today, maybe if it's not relevant to today, maybe I pack a line.
Are very powerful. It's
Yeah.
very powerful.
Thank you, ntate wa ka.
Yeah,
Yes.
no, ke a leboha.
Thank you. No, re ka se lebala re na le nako re tla e-
Yeah. What's more with it?
ntate.
Last time, rebellion and a problem, not a problem, a misunderstanding, not misunderstanding. I can see Kirin. I can see Kabita, Limra Duaka. That thing. Kitantunya na ya hore experience in.
Okay.
Rebelli problem. Kero hoyana, you know wanaka. Allow me to help you. Unana li problem ekan arno mar papa wena obata dintwe di etsu e sol. Kero ngwanaka tloko jwetsa nna ka le hlono le modimo mphile opportunity ke tsebe le ke ntate modimo ka pakema but ke bile le monyetla wa ho failure no yetsa the wrong decision no yetsa. Now when I'm advising you so that o ske wa tlo failure jwale ka nna o ske wa tlo failure jwale ka mme wa hao o ske wa tlo failure jwale ka ro because runa re hlokile di life coach but ba ka re coachang for maphelo a rona so that re tsebo yetsa di decisions tsa rona. It was morado ya ka ona sa understand. It was kore in a problem una feel hore I need to allow her to make the decisions I no yes ke tlo allow. Now take that mentality wa morado wa ka o botlisa ha ile le mosadi wa ka.
Okay. Now the relationship I close sebetsa.
Automatically it sebetsa.
Oh, okay, I understand. Now rona re shebile kwale from far re tlo na le di questions tse tshwana le tsa ntate re mare Dr. November with so much wisdom, with so much advices. Why lenyalo la ha yona le sebetsa? Okay.
Moradaka, she was fighting me or no papa nandumelle. Le nna ke batla to make my this thing. Kere no I'm allowing the only thing like I'm just throwing
Okay.
the advice. Now talk about say ntwe problem e kena. Kaya tlokwana. Mpe kopia. Thank you. Ibemon. Get a demonstration mo. And then mpe the coffee too. Okay? And then diabona I'm sure. Ne? TikTok oli abona. I'm sure babona. Okay, let me show you something. Life is so. Mpe tie yo. Ewan. Life is so. Recala from zero to mistaking. Kapa recala in a good way. Berto kianamo. Sereting. Berieta di mistake reblander. Beri someone. Ne obo someone. And some people ba felletse mo. Mona ki di blender remo.
Okay.
Ki di mistake mo.
Okay.
Now some people ba felletse di mistake. Come on Fliki. Akitse mo good.
Kutla hantle ntate moruti.
Now babang ba sebeditse ka thata to come out from the mistakes and to move on.
Okay.
Now the mistake kiena most of the time when renyala mpe cake when renyala now
Naba to ba tswileng ka mo ba bile le
ritsile mona
bile le grace ho tswa bona la fella mona.
now hangata ha renyala re na le mistake ya hore we relate about mona. Now le tlotsa maya mo. Now when I personally experience ya mona. Asli ka nkuku.
Man, come on.
When I personally experience
ya mona. Okay.
Now,
experience e le hore na le ka avoid jwang ho ipona le le mona.
Yeah. Now when I ha o tla le motho o mo lata mona. Ne o bo fika mo jwetsa wa tseba mo ho solo e mo motho o mamele. Now that's when le batho ba na le experience ha ba se ba nyala hape manyalo a bana feila a feiliswa ko re lata di-partnera tse mona ga se a ngata re nyalang batho ba fetileng jwale ka rona.
Hey, you are deep now. Mare e kotsi. Aye kotsi. Ha.
When o so fetile seretse
Le lata motho o tlo
re lata motho yo o tshwantseng o tlo qala feta le yena mo.
And now, how qala to feta le ene hana teachable spirit, hana willingness. Now all answer the advices are
how when on an experience.
Okay.
And that is why most of the time really miserable manyalo, because most of the time we go back more re goed. O late motho. I remember ne ke cancel a couple e nngwe ke re ntate wa bona o nyala motho ya qala ngwenyalwa ke re yana this guy wa bona o qala motho ke re o nyalwa ke motho ana le experience le yana o nyala wena ene wena o na experience ya lenyalo ke re ntate you must be willing gore dintho tsa ntse o blanda le ngo tsona is either le tlo tshwanela le gutla yena o tlo tshwanela a tlo kena o tsona jwale wena o tshwantse go gutla mona mo le nteng o tlo molata. Sometimes we become forced to look at TikTok on that. We get more. Kaya no. It's like time to we be out by young way.
Mo asili ekai.
Yes. We be out my young way. Thank you that. That's when Renal Batat. Because most of the time, like when I was like in the experience of my yellow bed. You can imagine.
Yo, that's powerful. Thank you so much, Tatumgot, for that. Yo, thank you so much. Barry Doctor, why Olubushali Jemar? Yo, damn. Yeah. I good. Okay, Joyce, I'm that when to go to share. Oh my. You show stop.
You are forced. We're not so defeated into them. Oba forced to hutela man. That is why sometimes naki bang le botata nna. Ha ke batla commitment. Ko re na go tsering ha ke mametse motho a bua. Sense ke utla re yona yena. O tlo ngotlisetsa back to the sense tse ke tsong tsona. Ene ho nkukile grace and tate modimo di overcome dinto tse ding because there are things tse o re fitile ngo tsona tse ding batho ba bang ba batho ha ba khona ho fita tsona.
Now that is why every time emphasize on we must choose right.
Choose right.
Wow. Okay. Joyce Mautu ukhutile are I hear ki ole wana re now tshwanetse a submit ha monna sa mrata sa mo appreciate. Are I hear you pastor. Everything changed after marriage, but unfortunately he died even if it was on that difficult time. I was still the same wife. Nothing changed me. I have wasted my time. Now I'm 65 years, lonely, and still searching for the right madala. I don't want to die alone. At least I must have someone to hold my hand when I'm sick.
She is called to be a wife. That is why I got 65
and
somebody understand
that. We will judge her and then judge her wrong. Yeah. Because got 65, why I say too late?
If you're called for.
Now the void okay. Can we go ole onare? What about kinana he arabile mme? Wa submission again because at the end of the day we go back to say choose right. We say dating it's a platform where you have to make a right decision.
But the other thing you go bang we to that lady, guys, oh my God, ntweki ithutileng yona yongwe
and
ntongwe ke ithutileng yona maleke ke hore we allow the partners are not to change us and to change our personality and characters. The problem ya o tshintshwa ke motho ke yena. Hey, na le batho ba tlo tshintsa o le a wife material, only a husband material hona le batho ba o tšhintšhang ha qetile a ba o sia mo ha qetile ba tsamaya yena a lo phela somewhere but a o sile a o tšhintšhile now whoever ya tlo fihlang wena a sa kgona ho thola a wife because you were a wife material and then somebody came a jola le wena a o tšhintša then ha o qetile ha o qeta hore nna e bile sa hlola ha ona monneng ka mo mamelang ha ona monneng ka mo dumelang hore ba palle hlong yaka ha o qeta o tsho jwalo motho ya o tšhintšhileng a ba tsamaya a lo move on a lo phela le somebody somewhere wa tswa why ya o tšhintšhile o tšhintšhile so that the relevant partner the ideal partner the libitsang ntong libitsang king una le motho a itseng libitsang your soulmate yeah ke ne ke batla when the problem it's when your soulmate a fihla o fumana o so lahlehetswe ke the real you.
Hey, yeah.
That is why you lost yourself. You lost that wife material. You were lost that a husband material. So the problem here about you, we need to be very careful in we need to make sure that we because sometimes he was not or she's not even the ideal or
your soulmate.
Your soulmate. Just to come and change you. When I was salary I will never love anyone. I will never submit to any man. Before Kenya.
But what else happened? What happened for go?
Okay. What's up, Mutsbajo?
Hana oto thusa most ya basadi. Yes, because I carry as much as osabapali di role. I kitsa be topic ya rona ga itlaka nyisi mare ke question na ke rapid. As much as you're not playing the roles, ne? But you are somebody who is ready for commitment. Now how ta get example how ta honna o tla tseba go batla lenyalo. Now nna ke tla be ke bona motho a failang to play the roles, and then chances are that I might not be
one like communicate baby
John.
Na pele ne ke bapala the role but not now until ke ba sure na communicate ya pele ya bobedi you are able to check the person of this person ona le bokgoni na
Hana, let's say motho na le bokgoni wa tla mo wena but ha re lerato o tsebe hore ke lemetse mo ke tswang. Now I'm here but I'm ready for commitment but I'm not going to play any roles.
Not ore how to bapala any roles hona le dintho tso tla di etsa but you are not going to slow. You are not going to do the same way extreme yeah ke yona ntho ne ke batla bua ka
o wa etsa mara o etse extreme
yo sere re jua ho
jole ke mo botsa jwang ore baby o khona ke bona o khona
ona le motho mong a re yo ka bakalla yo wa tla bua ka nna straight
okay ke nana e hao le dinto re kwelle cause I ke batla show e tlhakatlhakanene
ha re se tlhakatlhakanene
e tlhakatlhakane tse
re bua ntho tse ngata mare a re etse ba fe
le nna ka bona okay hona le o mong he ore but you know as much as
but you understand we need to be careful ore we don't allow people to change us guys
okay ke nahana that o qeta go bua e tlo thusa I like it because I like her. What about us who never enjoyed lineal relationships? Now I cried a lot. So since I am lonely, I enjoy loneliness. I will never cry again for a man. ke nyisa ka success no now yena advisor already
success la ka inyesa ka success aba le dikolo ya ba eng it depend hore yena priority ke eng because le ha ka ba no unyesa ka success it just it can never it's just that it's a way of try we console because ba mo faith ba ka mo fela a tseteletsa setsa so a sa try we console ka success which is leona e ka mo sebeletsa for now but if e le motho eo e leng a family orientated e le a wife
ana calling ya
the
wife
yeah still in turn feeling ya nang le yona hona jwale e temporarily it's just a temporary feeling ya hore now no I'm focusing to myself ka success yaka silike ke jetse motho ya mametseng chelete like abangata haijehi you cannot eat your money alone aikeki mali nxa ungetho that is why rena le batho ba tsamayang ba ye ditlapong ba lo rekela bagotsi ba bona jwala because chelete aijehi you can have money mara ikeki ha o tsebo ja chelete o di one e batla o be le batho ba ijang le bona 2 you can have a house you will never enjoy a house that is why batho ba tla reng when you marry a wife can change your house to be a home you can have cars how e monate koloi o itsamaya ka yona o kulukutsa o le mong ka yona o theosa o nyolosa ka yona o le mong hai mona dintho tsena ngwaneso la re ke ra ba ra re nyisa batho ka di success but the reality of the truth the same success how we enjoy how we one e gutlela hona mo so yena ha tshwanela o give up a give up itse go re fela ba mo disappointile batho the problem is not to give up, guys. That is the only thing. Mona you come and give up, o give up ile ngwana batho.
Give up it's lerato.
But adi you will never eat money alone. I ke malueto. O ka tsama o lo reka diphahlo wa etsa ngwetsa but there are time o hlala o galla ngore o ka re ka tsama le ba gotsi ba ha o etseng. That is why rena le batho ba etsang ba kalamang dikepe ba ibitsa dikepe boat cruise. You know cruise all about you don't cruise alone. You go to clubs, you go to restaurant, you go with your friends, you invite your friends because tell it success no. So telling talk, get the decisions already come because of the disappointment. But it don't change because sometimes the decisions are temporarily.
Okay. Somebody will add to what you have just said. And you cannot talk to the money about the events of the day. You do need a person to speak to.
Na le motareng ka tlakalla yo wa tla wa bua ka nna straight.
Okay, viewers at home, hey, here today. We're talking about loneliness, ne? But there are different aspects of taba ya bolongli le hore na many people bone ba thola fulfillment ho eng ba complete ho ha ba achievile e. Now topic ya today it's around dilo tseo. Now please you can share with us your story ka us Dr. November any question regarding that. I thank batho ba ile gore ba ntse ba comment. I thank you guys a lot. I thank batho ba ntse ba phone. You can also send us a WhatsApp voice note kapa a call di number tsena na tsa 067 095
Di bitsa ka speed.
Okay 067
Ke pause. Ke bo. Pleke na ke mkhotsi wa ka ya.
Okay.
Entle e bitswa height in
guest house
ina le dijo ina le 3 hours relaxed of the sleeping during the day ina le swimming pool ina le massage e quiet e bitswa height in e Cairo e bitswa Cairo o gona kenya GPS bo re height in Bloemfontein di tla utlwisa
Okay. The numbers that you can call us.
o tseba ntse re tsofala re kgala ntho tse mnate
It's okay. It's straight out. It's 067 095 5039. 067 095 5039. You can send us a voice note, kapa o ka re phonela, or send a comment, and then we share a bit of your story. Maybe we lewa sebetsa ka thata or achieve eng, and then if when you are fulfilled.
no la sa re sebitse ka thata o achieve eng se re fela ke into e fulfillang yena.
Yes. Yeah. And then Kathy Mutse khwa a khutla hape, and you also need opinion on matters. Money won't give you opinion. Otherwise, you will bother people's persons.
Yo. Are you will bother?
Eh.
You will borrow kapa bo?
You will bother.
Oh,
O tla nonzo founela batho ba batho jalo o so batla di opinion.
Yeah, bua nnete. Nna hlola ke bona o se mong ke re ke mang ha na le koloi founela monna motho mara ha ka mmotsa ha na le bothata ka koloi mara ka mmotsa ka lenyalo a re nna ke batle lenyalo mara ntho tsena tsa manyalo ha ntho tsena tsa manyalo hai batho ba teng ba frustrated mara ha na le bothata ba koloi o founela monna motho wena Catherine bua nnete.
Kathy. Okay, and then even if you can be successful, but still loneliness is still going to make you miserable. Because guys, la re ka etsa inhle ho ba lonely ha ho monate. You are still going to need that person that will hold hands with.
Mara he to go jetse nthe ke thitileng yona ka islefatsheng le satano ya ntse o re re wishe dintho tse re senang tsona ba ka ramanyalo ba wisha ba senyele ba senyele ba wisha lenyalo satano re ntse re wishe dintho tse re senang tsona.
Okay, viewers at home, you can also say
yes girl, loneliness hurts. Yeah. Loneliness is hurting deep. Oh, it's hurting deep. Loneliness. And the guys matsatsing ana batho ba lonely. Snake. Batho ba lonely. Guys, batho ba lonely nowadays. O tlo makala when o kena di TikTokong. Can you believe una le batho ba etsang di live o fihlela ka bo 4 ona le live e ke ratang o kena o yona ya Finzo DJ Finzo mogotsi wa ka ke a gola 2 times ke tswa ka 4 o'clock o se live hona le batho ba batle ba teng live eo beautiful ladies hona le live ya friend ya ka wa di bike Tshepo o Tshepo ka lama di bike re ka lama live ya bona the same ka ke tsebitswa ka bona kuma basadi ba batle
ba mo
na hona le batho ba batle hle mara loneliness ya bona re lonely hle di life tse tsa bosiwa bona re ke tsa batho ba lonely re lonely hle o lonely hle
what batho ba lonely even those who are married they are still lonely
ya ba bua nnete but go just ba nyetseng ba ntenela ntho wa aba ba tlo sebetsana le manyalo a bona to bring that harmony. Ke harmony ke yona seke
harmony
ke yona
o sebetsana le lenyalo ka bo sebetsana le motho
le lenyalo batho ba tlo sebetsana le manyalo ho tlisa that harmony monate in o tiking that enjoyment that batho ba nyetseng ha ba batla sebetsana le manyalo a bona, and that is why batho ba nyetseng ba le lonely. O tseba batho ba ntho bana e shapang batho guys, ntho ya manyalo, people they forget or marriage it's a business. Happiness ya lenyalo kapa relationship ha itle automatically le yetsa. Happiness ya relationship kapa ya lenyalo le yetsa. That is why na ne ke nyetse ne ke qoqela batho ntong radio ke rono na le nako ne ke tlabe ke ntho ke contest pela mosadi wa ka nna ke kentse penti fela registering ya hae ke sa tine ke tine registering ya hae fela no nyane tse pedi hodima sfata ke o qoqela silike
ke tlo bala di comments
ke o qoqela
okay saya into details
e batla details. Yeah, but
no, we get the picture.
I told. I told the picture. I want to give you the picture.
Okay.
Negena go get teenage string ya high.
Contest.
Be contest pela high. Ke be ke jive at say ho yetse jwang. Sometimes I get driver koloi, ne. Bo bosiu. Ke be ke driver. Ha ke bona ho school be ke emisa. Kilo tsetsa mohlomong ke tsere ke moruto be ke ema ka pela koloi hantle be ke reza molamo wa Moses be ke tsetsa ke shebile ho yena ke jaifa ke etsa ke jaifa
wa no etsa ntse jwa
mnati re tseye
and that's why be irritated
ne re tseye agree you check the person you start by checking the person or ke motaratang fane ke motaeng
now how to support that because ba ske ba tloa ba ilo yetsa dintho tse wena o di etsa ka tiba ilo irritate di partner tsa bona
bontate
ba checke bomme
mar bomme le bona ba sa batleng fane ke ba jwang ba se biswa ke Satan ba loya.
No, I don't think I'm about to fan. Kids la ya petini ya lenyalo.
That is why ke lenyalo it's ke choice ya hore lona le batla lenyalo le jwa le dula fatshe le buisana, but happiness ya lenyalo ke tswa ke lona. Ne ke nna go ene ke tlabe ke mo jwetsa ke ra will drive you tlo go ise mosebetsing.
Okay.
Tlo go ise kore happiness rose ho reka malomo to bring that fun ho be monate le drive le etseng ke responsibility ya lona le manyalo, but most about wa ka ramanyalo they don't want to work for happiness ba batla happiness e tlang automatically so, and that is why ba le lonely ka ramanyalo because people they want happiness mar bana no itlo iketsalla nje. That is why o le bohlokwa re nyale batho ba o releng re na le dintho tse similanyana le bona.
Okay.
A unkutlu.
Okay.
A unkutlu.
Okay.
A unkutlu.
You can understand that.
Example, you cannot marry an introvert.
Ngashwa.
Ya monna.
Ngashwa. Yo! Nagana, nakilele gata na ke gato qoqa yana.
Loneliness e khotso ke tsona dintho tse jwalo tsa hore o qeteletse o nyalane le introvert when now you are an extrovert, and then when o batla o qoqa yena o topolotse molomo o batla o thola o thotse o quiet. To those are the things that tlisa loneliness. And batho ba bangata ba rata hore ha ba bua ka yona ba re no, at least when o nyala motho a fapaneng le wena, at least we need those different characters. But problem are the different characters. It is a lot of conflict and tension and loneliness because ha le tshwane le motho wa hao. O rata o qoqa ha rata o qoqa, o rata shopping ha rata shopping, o rata ho loja restaurant, o rata outgoing outside. Yena ha di rata ntho tse jwang ho kopane batho ba sa tshwaneng all together o tlo ba frustrated.
Okay, ntate Moruti.
Hence you need to clear vision. Hence you need a clear vision with your partner. You need a clear vision.
And then umungari true, they don't want to bring joy and happiness in their marriages. ke ma comrade, they are always stubborn. And then ke di emetse phakamela a re long lihle Joe. Yes. But Ntate Moruti, with some few minutes that is left now, o reng ho bomme, o reng, because I get the first topic ya rona e ne le taba ya bolongli, e ne le taba ya hore batho ba nahana hore achieving things will complete them, ne? Now obore some people ha ba itse hore as much as ba sa batle lenyalo, but it is something that they are called for. And obore, if you are failing something that you are called for, o tlo nna miserable and frustrated. Now Ntate Moruti, go na le batho right now that they are watching us, but ba feel gore ha ba batle lenyalo, though there's a void. Motho tla ba re, but I tried so many times, the relationship tsa ka di fail. Now I have given up on love. Now o tlo re mo mothong mo, especially this ones ba ile gore ke di family orientated, because the danger ya being a family orientated, baba, you don't even understand. Babang, they don't even understand gore ke di family orientated. Bone ba nagana fela gore they enjoy being around family. So ke kopa o thuse batho ba jwang.
Okay, what's ba mantswa ka o qetela ke hore as if
Yes.
ha ona ntho e dangerous jwala ka o give up ntho tlo e hlokang in a long run. Ha se le konko.
Yo.
Ha ona ntho e dangerous jwala ka o give up ntho yo tlo e hlokang in a long run. Yo ntho tlo e hlokang ka tsele. Number 2, ha hona ntho yeo e kotsi jwala ka o give up ntho yo nang le monyetla wa ithola no. O be give up because of the disappointment, but o na le opportunity wa ithola no. Ya boraro, ha hona ntho e kotsi jwala ka o disa ho etsa o give up ntho yo tla re mohlang o e batlang o buso sa hlole o fita for yona. Now so o se tlo ba wena disappointing wena because you don't fit your dream anymore.
High powerful yo. Kore heading your thing, don't give up. Yo.
Don't give up for something yo tlo e hlokang ha nako entse tsamaya. Don't give up for ntho yo nang le chance ya o ithola no. Mara be give up because of the disappointment tse o kopaneng le tsona le batho ba romba o kopaneng le bona. Ya boraro, don't give up for ntho yo tlo re mohlang kelola o khutlang o se e batla bo thola re wena jwala ha o sa fita ntho nyane yo nong, how you don't fit for your dream anymore. It was your dream. Ubu give up amar mohlang kelola o khutlang jwala o re let me go back to my dream, I'm sober, but bo thola re now wena ha o sa fita. Can I go deeper? Hona le batho ba o today lenyalo ho yena le fitile ha sa hlola ba ha sana le chance ya raka aka nyalwa because of age, the looks di change. Now ha sa disappointwa ke lenyalo, ha sa disappointwa ke batho ba mo disappointileng, but iseli yana disappointa yena.
Come on. Yo, ikotsi. Ai kotsi. Ai kotsi. Iseli wena o disappointa.
Ntwana ne ke ba kona hore o kile bona o lemme o bo freewa batho ba tshwantse ba free wena ba free ya moradi wa hao. Ke go ba repeat batho bana o tsamaile moradi wa hao, batho ba le interested to your daughter isengwe, even le di type tsa le bontate ba aging ya hao, because wena o dumeletse maemo o dumeletse o give up until o yetsa jwang o tlo disappoint wa ko wena na o thola re wena you don't fit for your dream. ha o sa fita toro ya hao.
Yo, viewers at home. Hona le muthareng Varvas J Aldate. Yo, ke mme o batla ke lenyalo now at 65 years.
Okay. So when we give up, we need to be careful, Silikele viewers at home. We need to be very careful because sometimes to give up it's just the strategy sasata. So we lose opportunity, we lose season it's a rona. Hona about today when we share about ourselves, Corey, you are no more you are no more a type a wife material kapa a type ya lenyalo because the looks tsa se di chintile everything fadile ka wena. So now so kwena disappointed kwena u disappointwa kwena for ntotso irata e se le wena jana e disappointa pele o disappointwe ke batho pele wa disappointwa ke eng wa ba discourage but this time now kwena ya disappointa because ha o sa fita. Ke tla example ke hlola ke shebela di life tsena tsa single and mingle and then ho tla botho basadi ba kene and then bo thola o kena mosadi e mong o mona re o sena moholo then o bo kena maybe ntong libitsang kana libitsang why doctor ignoring answer ya me only kana kife why doctor ignoring answer ya me
Oh, Varvas J Aldate.
Varvas J. Oh, ha ke tsebe ke tla reng ha ke araba. So kana ne ke buang
Onore o tla bo kena motho
TikTok ya moholo ne no ha ke tsebe ke arabe ke re ha re ne ke le kae ka nnete ke tsebe ne ke ntse ke lefatshe ne le ngotla kana ne ntse ke bokeletsa experience now ke re ke tla ke shebeletse o tla bona ho kena o sia moholo ho bo kena these young ladies and beautiful. Now bontate ba tla be ba kena wa request o bo bua hore ba ntho kana ke mang host ya show kena tla ba botsa hore o tlile ho Silike kapa o tlile ho Nthabiseng kapa o Maki ba tla ba feta motho eno meno wa batho most ya bana ba tla ba ya ho DCM. Now that thing you blame now you are back to your mind now usona le kelele ya unyalwa but now wena ka baka la o give up now iselu wena jwale ya disappointa wena so disappointwa kwena for fita bophelo bana o fita bophelo bona disappointwa kwena hona le ba ke ipotsa ke re o se ga mpa wa tswa ke be ke ipotsa ke shebile ke o sa ka mpa tswa paneleng hle wa tswana hle ka tswana motho o phika so those are the things that want to batho ba di tlhokomele Selekara sona la give up. I'm 56 years. Ke divorced 2 times. Mara ntse ke batla ho nyala today. Ntse ke batla ho nyala with all my heart. And tlo go jwetsa why. I repeat again for the last time. Marriage is an independent person. When ke jola le wena kaya tlo mpele bikirla kopia ena tshwarache kukuye mnati kukuye mnati
biscuit ibitswa biscuit
na kra ka rute na ke tswa le kuku
ke biscuit tsa hide
kuku oh biscuit amalumnati to ntho tse di mnati hle mpela nkai
okay
ke ena ntho e shapang batho ena ke lenyalo ena ne o sirile ena kapa ya bona ena ke lenyalo ne ena ke lenyalo ko ena ena ke nna ena personal tsa kolong re tla lenyalo both of us kapa re tla relationshiping both of us then ko ena yona ke nna yona ko ena ke lenyalo ena ne ke lenyalo kapa ke relationship now ke tla ke tsamaya ka nthwena ne ke tla ke tsamaya ka nthwena ne mokgwa o mong kapa personality kapa whatever ne re fihla re kopana mona then this personality aka e affecta lenyalo la rona kapa e affecta relationship guys le nkutlwa man this personality
e affecta lenyalo kapa relationship
this
elinye
yeah this is a relationship this is you this is me then ha re tla re tlokopana ke tla ka ke tla ka
ka mokgwa o itseng kapa personality e itseng
ke tla ka mokgwa kapa personality e itseng now personality ena e affecta lenyalo
yes
kapa affecta relationship now ke tlo etsang re arogana ke a tsamaya ke tsamaile le
personality ya hao e be
so why o tshwantse kwa tele nthwela because o disappointwe ke nna ha wa disappointwa ke lenyalo ha wa disappointwa ke lerato why o tshwantse be disappointed to this thing because nna motho o frustrated le ntho e go frustrated ka yona re tsamaile ha re sa leyo so why o tshwantse be angry for this marriage why o tshwantse be angry for this relationship batho bohle ba re disappointile ba tsamaile batho bohle ba re disappointile batho bohle ba re hetile ba tsamaile le di hats tse ntsa bona ha ba sa le di habits le di character ona le motho reng ke dula ntle hey sweater tse le tsona na ke tse motho ba shebile eng ke bana ba longle batho ba shebeletse show yana o shebile nna eno o shebile hole ke bana ba longle lonely una o sheba yana ha shebi show le nna hai akure ke lutse go ba ka ntse ke sa bona abon hai bana ba lonely ba sukudisa hla jalo tshwantse re iphutha lonely ke bana ba re lawa claro ke bana ba re lawa sheba ntja tse pedi di ntse di le busy mano ba emotional ba touched o bo to kwatetse dintja o le bitter re ntja tsena di thabile tsona di ja joy
a re kwale show yo can it go para kwale show you said oh
but you understand Dylan that is why I will never give up for love. Number 2, I will never give up for marriage. Yes, ngana ka ba disappoint ngana ka ba le di fears ngana ka ba like kena le di fears nyana kena le tsona di fears nyana ha ke kopana le motho ke rata ho tseba motho ke mo tsebe ke na le di fears ke na le but all those fears they don't stop me to love and they will never stop me because but I'm frustrated but I'm in frustrations about so why something to be angry for love why something to be bitter for love and marriage no marriage is an independent and innocent thing
and I'm talking wow that's so powerful and then there is a shebe jwalo motho tsa mile le personality eo ya high.
If motho na feba o tsamele le febe ba hae so wa tshwantse tlo kwatela lerato because lenyalo a se lona le febileng ke motho
Okay.
bon
But this powerful.
ha se lenyalo le febileng ha se lenyalo le o febetseng ha se lenyalo le neng di le abusive it's a person yo no kopaneng le lenyalo le yena ke yena neng a le abusive ha kana rakwa ke yena na
Okay. Viewers at home, re kwala show, but re kopa ho tseba hle, was this session helpfully kapa educationally for lona kapa is there anything maybe e itutileng yona from ke bokae percent le ono go tlo kinyetla ntsha mic. Now, viewers at home, please let us know. We are only left 3 minutes. 3 minutes then re kwala show. Just let us know hore na wena today we tutile eng. Ke ntwe le hore
seleke kuku e monate hle
biscuit. Yes. Busisiwe hiliwe are enough set novi Motlalipule Modipa are yes opportunity. Kathy Musero are we need to choose well. You need to compatibility. You if you choose a comrade who goes against everything you suggest, you will be miserable. And then Ridumetse Pakamela are re lonely Joe.
o batho ba lonely re lonely
Yes, we said
ba bang ke bana hle le bona mona TikTok ntle o tla qala fast boya e ka re godimo
re ithutile hore kuku e monate lenyalong.
so
And
tsane tse nyolileng ya
and then the Lion Masango are soon organize seminar for us, Dr. Novi, please. Nozi are ki ithutile hore I shouldn't give up on love. O mong are ki ithutile hore kuku not biscuit. And then Paulina Wasitole are re ithutile tse ngata hle. Nozi re ithutile tse ngata. Tato Tebe very helpful indeed. The Lion W.R. Sabari, you are a godsend, Dr. Love. Silo Zilo Madira are very helpful and educational. Silo Zilo are mutuile le bofebe ba hai neti.
ka nnete wa o setse o le ko ntse o kwatile wa e kwatile
And then but onana he ki question J Lizzy are doctor what are your preference to third wife? And then kina notla ya ga ba hana ko ikabateng. And then setups are loneliness e tla go ruta to never invest in one person.
yo motho o corrupt
Kotsi setups are kotsi. And then Ratu a re ithutile hore re sa dula ka dipelo tse botlhoko. Yeah.
qetile ngwana go kgang
Yes, I think ke di badile ka ofela. Monana bare magadi jale are problem people are afraid to come out because there is a show that pastor had created to make single people meet, but it is unfortunate that they don't want to be in public show. Maybe pastor create a show that don't show people faces, just voices only. But how will they choose between you can't fall to a voice or another?
ba yeah tsamose ba di single and mingle you o hlaisa ntho
face.
face di single and mingle a o hlaisa face mo why tshwantse re hidane so nna ngwaneso dintho o te ke batlang
di preferences
nna ke batla mosadi ya motle ke ya pele
a ke re tlisa gore ya motho sontse bue wa ya motho
ayo nna ke batla mosadi ya motle hle
ha ona mabaka mo go batla
a re ka se tshwane nna ke hande se ke na le di-pothole ke na le di-wrinkles but re ka batla mosadi ya motle
okay that's number 1
because
ene le tshwaye ba gae
I'm that man ya ratang overlook sea lerato la ka ke rata that le bitswang
spotlight
it's a spotlight I love
show off
I love show off
okay
I'm that person I'm that person who can hold the hands of my partner in publicly so I'm that person who can kiss my partner
in public
re eme lining whether ke bankeng kapa ke shopong we pay something I just want to kiss my partner I want to hold you
whoa
so
le tshwaye for na la fita mo ba gae
yeah you na mara ke nna ke rata ntho tse ntle
body wise
ati ntho tsaka di discourage batho
ba mametse
di discourage batho
nna sa bua ke nna tso di buleng di enough
guys ke kopa o bua le ngwe ke be ke tsamaya yena ke a tswa letlong ja tshana mara ke a tsamaya ha monate
o sa ba bue kotsi hle
a tswa ntho e ke reng
ke no mfonela mbisiku ya
nthe e ke re batho ba sebedise monyetla
Eh.
ya ho well ba tsantse bana le di-looks seleke re tshwere mathata finzo na bila botsa batho re bomme mare why le se ntho yeo le leng yona di-Facebook di-photo ntšhebe seleke
mara go ya ka molao re kotse show wetse ntate moruti re kotse show ma
Seleke.
ke
Ntshebe.
shebe
ha re le dibaekeng o na le ausiana ba tla go freua o no sena motho a mo
ya ba go ga itse te mo
o na le motho a batla go freua a batla go freua but se fapang bo
okay
a ke bue leshano
mara ke sone kaka
friend tsa hae ke a dina le batho ausi wa batho
mare
ausi wa batho
mare
ene ka re nka motlela le letswai ke re ausi e seng ko hlapisa kapa re batle nthwane ye kheli mamang ana isasa ka ne be mo etsa yelo bono o mmona gore ausi ha ona motho a batla o nare pastor November wa o sang hukapi ke re ausi ha ba o feta mo ba o bona nna ke tlo etsa jwang jwa go ikapa
yena no sna go ka tsenya CV bonyane a kere maybe hare pastor November wa o sang go ka maybe wa bolela for ke free
no le nna le kutwa re le gare ke nnete nka jwale ka baka la gore ke motho jwale ka le nna ke le motho le wa nama le madi ne nka nna ka iphumana ke entse phoso mare bano o se ntselana le ka ha se bana ba o dumelang o etsa phoso you become the holy messiah gore o ba lenyolo wa halalela ka mogona le ka teng sefapana out of the market right phumela marketeng right
na ile kwa na kana go tatlatsa
phumela marketeng shaba le minoto e ke le thata that's right phumela marketeng
le minoto tota
e shaba le minoto na ba na le minoto e thata mmono a yona ka re ke masolana na thagisa Jesu bana ba mo jarise sefapana
We need to make a decision fast. Ay, o tla se le go tsinyalo ka ka gata. Ona ka gana se.
Mara minoto ena le thata e ntse tje di kwasalletse e ntse tja. Ara ai khona right. Phumile sise marketeng.
U 56 years. Wa santse o shebe bo minoto, isa ka minoto at your age. U 56, isa ka minoto.
Banna rata ntho tse ntle. That is why most of banna bana le tšhelete when they buy beautiful cars. When they buy jola, they date with a beautiful ladies. Rata batho ba batla. Ke batla o lokisa taba ena di type. Type. You the type ha di thola hali easy. Because harna batho ba re shapeelang batho. But once you go pana le motho ya nang le willingness, ya nang le teachable spirit, ya willing to change, ya o mamela, mo etse type ya hao. I say ke wa ngutlo. How easy re kopana le di type?
It is not.
It's not an easy thing to kopana le type, but you can o ka kopana le motho ya nang le teachable spirit and then a woman etsa type ya hao. Mara abanye ba tswile o saka. Yona le batho ba tswileng. And also le body tla untsha. Let's first say facial expression ya facial front ya untsha marketing go rotso o tloetsa o tla iphumana so tshwanela hore o leave profile pic o be bana ba hao
nna ke tla botsa marare le ofe go ntse ke le marketing na o sa nkaraba on air
ke go bona
tate moruti tate moruti a ke ga ka o botsa a ka o botsa
o tla be profile pic
ya Beyonce.
Ya Beyonce. Hi, baby, can I call you? Got video call? No, baby, no, not now. Not now, no. I don't like video calls. Can't you?
Matata, baby.
Pumila, right? I don't do video calls. Can't you? Umaka. Pumila, my getting. Right? Ona le ba tseba hore le bona la ba ema dipileng o itsheba in the mirror there's something you bolelang hore o ya phoma
you are 5'2".
Ola le ba re ga ba itsheba o bolelwa ke speed o bolelwa ke your mirror hore right phomile marketeng Ona le motare moruti ke mofatho ya se a phuma like us o swaka tlo go rufe sephiri banna ba tswa marketeng the only time monna ma a tswa marketeng is when a hloka tšhelete monna o ba ka ra market le a sa tshohelwe monna o ba ka ra market le hoja a sa tshohelwe tlo go jwetsa why because lona ba sa di le batla dintho tse different ba nne ona le banna ba sa di ba sa batleng sex ba batla partner ba batla fela monna tlo mo hlokomela so even if nanga hona le ba sa di ba sa batleng beauty ba sa batleng di chest out ba ba batlelang ho hlokomelwa fela ba sa di ba batla ho hlokomelwa and wa no mo hlokomela fela you are still in the market nina phoma marketeng right
my life is very
o kila bona o itshaba le kela la itshaba spilling ma gore o itshebe gore only honest mari kile la itshaba gore o itshebe spilling se ke hlalosa seleka ke lwane le kile la itshaba bo spilling gore o itshebe hantle then unke bo photo ya hao how no le 20 years o bo isheba o compare o bo isheba o tlohlong o thewa ka wena o isheba mahetle o butlo isheba mokhaba o isheba ho ya tlase o butlo isheba dirupi bomo oba because le pleke ena di khona ho ntsha ba sa di marketing dinama tsena tse mo di na le go kwata fela le tsona tsena bo mokhaba di a ho ntsha marketing di right ya phoma bo minoto ha o sa rwala ditopo o se rwala dieta tsa bo ntho crossroad cross e bitswang cross green cross so rwala ditopo tsane tse tenya e seng di high heel then o qetile o so tena ke di video tsa lape tse ding di bitsang tse ka di flat tse ka renga dina soul di pumps so le au se atena di pumps so phumile market skala give apela a le thola batho ba proposala ba le proposang kena hona jwang le a tsona ba ise a tsama seleki hona le batho ba reng ha rola week e ka ro ka re baby ke nya hape ai yo har week e ka ro ka re baby ai ke ha re tlo ke phumule makeup ha tlo sa makeup ra ya baby ka ro ka re baby makeup hape tsasa makeup oh Ekaruga baby sas once robala ka makeup sfapan because ha phumula makeup ho hlanta te monche ka neti ka ro ka baba sawubona baba umuntu metse ka hlompho sawubona baba sawubona Itebe withe ene buhloko balo withe ka bo honest o tla ipona gore wa tsamaya uyaphuma withe ka bo honest eno ska ba itshaba o tenne bothata go lona le tla mireng a le tenne lona bothata ba lona le tla mireng ha se le qetile o hlapa le qetile o itsasa kona le tla mireng jalo o fihla ema mireng o itshaba spilling o so tla mesiane se le smart e le pel ke batla le emele le mapuna le metsi o eme le mapuna o etse o eme o letse o buitsheba hantle ska ba itsheba o kwatile ere o itsheba le mapuna e metsi o bu ema o sheba ore o jika o sheba ore o tla o lona e mong ke ne re ke mmone ona Facebook mona because jwale le nna se ke le motho le Facebook nyana tje e ne re ha ke fihla live ke kopana le yena tje e ke mo botsa ke re mme ha o etse dikuku ke le ka kena page nya e ka bona a baker itse ke fihla ka ra o so ka ne ke tle fela o tlo botsa hore o rekisa dikuku na rekisa di cake ene lena ke gola ha una sa bona hore ha o monate because agre ha ntse ke bua lena ne ke feel hore ne ke mmitsa ka mabitso a English
ana na utumenga wona ana na utumenga wona
ke mmitsa ka mabitso a English
for my breath
itse ke kopana le yena live kara or os ne ke botsa hore ha o etse dikuku na ra ya ehlente te mruta ke etse dikuku a re wa o bata dikuku ra ke bone ntong page nya ka re rekisa bo dikuku le nna le a tseba hla le ke la hlapa di mic la hlapa di makeup la thola di wig o baba straight o baba sawubona baba sawubona
let's call it a night longer let's salibale here re shoot live on really monana here hide in guest house ibula 24/7 you can come for a day rest you can come kadi Thursdays ba na lead this thing e ba ibitsang lovers and friends massage day now uthola a hot stone massage a full body massage and then uthola a pick up and drop off banali shuttle if you don't have a transport when ali mukhotsi wa hauna the numbers that you can call us re tla ofa more information regarding that. You can come for a business meeting, you can come for a baby shower, birthday party, now in a swimming pool if over swimming pool, or just come for an overnight. It's a very beautiful place, viewers at home, and you can also be part of this show. If only Tembatong, just come and then itulela money and be part of show ya rona. Show ya rona e monate. If you don't want hore ba o hlahise di camera di hlahise o tla itulela kwa le fela as audience, then ha ona ho tla. Please guys, this show ke ya batho. We are for the people, and for the people we deliver. So please join us next week. Ha se ke ya ba rona fela really too. The couples batho ba reng bone ba batla commitment, ba batla ho nyalana, come and be part of this show. Le tulele fela money, and then now le re shebelle close, le se le sa re shebelle di phone ne le tle le tlo sheba, so le tlo khona ho bona hore o se o lovely o hola hampe lo tswa marketing. Yes, ha le close le tlo khona ho bona hore ke hola lo tswa marketing. Ka
Ona le mothare re tlwele botle re shebe ipelo a ke tlo tshwara pelo ka letsomo sa tsa mastrato
a o tlo tsamaya le pelo ko molong,
a ke tlo tsamaya le pelo ka molong. Na o se ntshwarele a ke motho le pelo e tla bona pelo ke number 2 ya pele ke beauty. Yena ke wa tlo mosadi ya mobihla
mare batho ba batle ba batla le bone ba ga ba batle monna mobe.
Bona basadi bona ba nata ba le bobi ba monna. Basadi ba batla ke ba yang ba bang. Basadi they want to somebody abanka aba hlokomela, and that's all. Ha re tsamaya sebeke
Ha re tsamaye.
nna mosadi ya mobi a ke mmatlehle kampala re ke a kgetha aye mosadi ya mobi a ke mmatle le ha bua le wena o nahana wa lwana a bua le wena fela o nahana wa lwana
Viewers at home, let's call it a night from Facebook family. Bye
ona le mo
bye.
nkileng ka robala pela hae
Oh, that mo two pits. Ibo etsala.
itsa ke ene tswe re ba sheba jwang ha re ba shebi tsena pe mo sheba tse ha
Ba
ina
o ile yang le ene ko tlung tate mo. O ile yang le ene ko tlung.
ha ke be ke ntse phosa e seng hore ke ne ke robetse pela hae ka no etsa etseng
Yo.
kwala ntate
Now, tate mo. Uso anale yang anale mashu.
ba kumba aye
Kumba.
kumba so